everyone, I'm back again with one more tutorial on how to make earrings with polymer clay. For today's tutorial I have taken these tools and these are called the base for the earrings that you get them at any craft store. I got them at eBay. And these are some pieces of clay that I have taken to use them for making. So for the base, you can buy them at any craft store. I will share you the links in the description box. Please don't forget to check them out. This is a Sculpey Crafty Clay brand that I use for the polymer clay. It says oven baked clay variety pack. It comes in different colors, blocks. So this will be hard initially. So when you want to make it into different shapes, you have to press it in between your hands and make it as soft as you can, and then only then you can shape it into different shapes. So I will share you the links if for buying it online. Please check my description box. Let's get into the tutorial on how to make this. So I have taken some baby pink clay. Now I'm going to add some clay onto this. So here I have cut some piece of clay and then just roll it into a ball. And then just add it on top of it. So you just add it and then flatten it as much as you can. So before starting the tutorial, I have already made one for which I'm going to work on. So here I have taken some candy pink clay that I'm rolling it as thin as much I can. And then cut it into equal pieces. Something of this size. So if you can see it closely, here I have already cut some pieces of clay, and then I'm just going to roll it and make it look like a petal teardrop. So once I roll them into a teardrop, I'm going to add them onto this base. If you can see it closely, I just added this, and then now I'm going to use this and press it like a petal. Something like this. I'm going to add rest of the petals and then I'm going to show you the final piece. So here I have taken and then added some teardrops. Now I'm going to press them and give the look like a petal. If you can see it, now I'm going to add another around it, some more petals. So here I have taken one more layer around it, and now I'm going to press those as well. So now I'm going to add the leaves. So like how you did for the pink one, I have rolled the green color clay something like this, as thin as that, as I rolled the pink clay. And now I'm going to cut it into equal sizes and then make them like the petals. Roll it into a ball and then give it like a teardrop shape. Something like this, and then just add it to the flower that you made. Just give it a press. So you can add as much as leaves as you can on different sides of the flower. So I'm going to add them at 3 places. Roll it thin and just add it to any of the sides of the flower, and then just give it a press. That's it. Now for the center part, I'm going to add some small amount of yellow clay. I have rolled it into a ball and then just press it in the middle, something like the bud. Look, here is the finished look of the flower. So here I have already made another earring before starting the tutorial. So this is the finished look. I have chosen these 3 colors because I have a shirt matching with all of these colors. So here is the finished look. Now it's time to bake these pieces at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. I will share you the finished look of these earrings by giving a glaze finish. Here I'm going to show you how I bake them in the oven. So I just bake it at 275 Fahrenheit, and then once it gets to preheat mode, I'll wait until the preheat is done. So to bake my clay pieces, I use this baking tray especially only for the clay things that I need to bake, and I don't use this for cooking. So I just place this tray in the oven once the preheat is done. Ready and preheated. Now I'm going to bake these pieces for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take them out. So don't use your bare hands, use some mittens. I'm going to leave it to cool down at least for 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to give it a glaze finish, a clay, and it cools down. You got to apply this Sculpey glass glaze. So I will show you the pieces that I applied for. So this is how it looks with a glossy finish. So this is the fabric that I mentioned, for which I'm going to match with these earrings. So this is the finished look of the pair of the earrings. Thank you for watching.